Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vet-recommended dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hill's Science Diet, Adult Sensitive Stomach and Skin Dry Dog Food. Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food, with its sensitive stomach and skin recipe, stands out as the top choice for your dog. This chicken-flavored dry food meets the highest standards for pet nutrition and is recommended by veterinarians across the country. Its formulation addresses common issues in adult dogs, such as sensitive stomachs and skin problems. The inclusion of prebiotic fiber supports a healthy gut microbiome, ensuring your pet has smooth digestion. Additionally, it packs omega-6s and vitamin E to boost coat health and shine, backed by high-quality ingredients from the USA. Owners often notice a significant improvement in their dog's well-being after switching to Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin Adult Dog Food. From more energetic playtimes to less scratching and digestive problems, this food makes daily life better for pets with sensitivities. Moving on at number 4, we have the Natural Balance Limited Ingredient, Grain-Free Salmon and Sweet Potato Dry Dog Food. Natural Balance Limited Ingredient Adult Grain-Free Dry Dog Food, featuring a salmon and sweet potato recipe, secures its place as our number 2 pick for top vet-recommended dog food. This choice is rooted in the brand's stringent Feed with Confidence program that ensures every batch of dog food meets high safety standards. For dog owners who prioritize transparency and safety, this product stands out by offering a unique code to verify each bag's quality through their website or customer care team. Moreover, the composition of this dry dog food caters to all dogs, not just those with allergies or sensitive systems. Dog owners seeking a balanced diet for their pets often face challenges finding foods that don't compromise on nutrition while still being gentle on their pets' stomachs and skin. Natural Balance addresses these concerns by carefully selecting premium ingredients like flaxseed and avoiding common allergens such as grains, soy, and artificial flavors or colors. At number 3, we have the Royal Canin Size Health Nutrition Medium Adult Dry Dog Food. Royal Canin Medium Breed Adult Dry Dog Food stands out as a top choice for dog owners looking to support their medium-sized dog's health and vitality. This 30-pound bag of nutrition-packed kibble is designed with the unique needs of adult dogs weighing between 23 to 55 pounds in mind. Its specialized kibble shape encourages chewing, making mealtime both enjoyable and beneficial for your dog's dental health. The formula boasts easy-to-digest proteins and a balanced fiber content that promotes digestive health, ensuring your energetic companion can absorb all the nutrients they need to thrive. The thoughtfully selected ingredients in Royal Canin also address common concerns among medium breed owners regarding skin and coat health. With optimal levels of EPA and DHA, this dry dog food nourishes your pet's skin, leaving their coat shiny and healthy. Additionally, its blend of antioxidants supports strong natural defenses, essential for keeping your playful friend active and protected against daily stressors. At number 2, we have the Dr. Harvey's Canine Health Miracle Dog Food. Dr. Harvey's Canine Health Miracle Dog Food stands out as a top choice for dog owners seeking vet-recommended nourishment for their furry friends. This human-grade dehydrated base mix for dogs combines organic whole grains and vegetables to create a balanced meal that promotes overall health. By simply adding water, pet parents can transform this mix into delicious meals, making it easy to cater to the specific dietary needs of their pets. Owners have the flexibility to add different proteins and fats, which means whether your dog is an energetic puppy or a senior with sensitive digestion, they can enjoy meals tailored just for them. The benefits of choosing Dr. Harvey's Canine Health are evident in pets, improved vitality and appearance. Dogs eating this food regularly display shiny coats and healthy skin thanks to natural ingredients like carrots, green beans, and eggshells that provide essential nutrients without harmful additives. And finally, at number 1, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Adult Dry Dog Food. In the world of pet nutrition, Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula stands out for its dedication to combining natural ingredients with scientific advancements to support adult dogs' health. This formula takes the lead by featuring real deboned chicken as its primary source of protein, ensuring strong muscle maintenance without compromising on taste or nutritional value. What sets it apart is the inclusion of Life Source Bits, a proprietary blend packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals meticulously chosen to bolster the immune system while meeting life stage requirements. Dog owners searching for a balanced diet will appreciate this product's commitment to omitting chicken or poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, and artificial preservatives from their recipes. Instead, it offers wholesome grains like brown rice and nutrient-rich additions such as cranberries and vegetables that contribute not only to a well-rounded meal but also promote healthy skin and coat thanks to omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.